Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make chocolate chip pecan cookies. First, let's start with the wet ingredients. Begin by creaming 1 cup of softened, unsalted butter with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until smooth. Then, incorporate 1 cup of packed light brown sugar, beating the mixture until it becomes wonderfully light and fluffy. Finally, add 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully combined, and stir in 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract for that essential warm flavor. Now let's prepare our dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Don't forget to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. It truly enhances the overall flavor profile of your cookies. Once your dry ingredients are ready, gradually add them to the wet mixture, mixing on low speed until they are just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to tough cookies. This is where the magic happens. Gently fold in 1 cup of your favorite chocolate chips and 1 cup of finely chopped pecans into the cookie dough. Ensure they are evenly distributed throughout the mixture. Once everything is combined, cover your dough and place it in the refrigerator to chill for at least 30 minutes or even up to 24 hours. This crucial step helps the flavors meld beautifully and prevents your cookies from spreading too much during baking. Almost there, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Using a cookie scoop or 2 spoons, drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto a parchment-lined baking sheet, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are beautifully golden brown and the centers are still slightly soft. Let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring to a wire rack. Enjoy your delicious homemade chocolate chip pecan cookies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.